Best way to strip punctuation from a string. It seems like there should be a simpler way than. Is there?
From an efficiency perspective, you're not going to beat. For higher versions of Python, use the following code. It's performing raw string operations in C with a lookup table. There's not much that will beat that but writing your own C code. If speed isn't a worry, another option though is. This is faster than s.replace with each char, but won't perform as well as non-pure Python approaches such as regexes or string.translate, as you can see from the below timings. For this type of problem, doing it at as low a level as possible pays off. Timing code. This gives the following results.
Regular expressions are simple enough, if you know them.
For the convenience of usage, I sum up the note of striping punctuation from a string in both Python 2 and Python 3. Please refer to other answers for the detailed description. Python 2. Python 3.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.